Friends, today your English journey changes forever. You sit home, yet dreams travel. Fluency grows quietly inside daily practice. Big classrooms are not always necessary. Your small room can become academy. Every wall hears brave English. Attempts, every mistake becomes teacher, not enemy. Speak. Slowly but speak every day. Confidence grows when silence finally breaks. Look around your house differently today. Mirror becomes partner in speaking. Practice books become doors into. Living language. Phone becomes pocket teacher guiding pronunciation. Small habits slowly build powerful fluency. But one question quietly appears today. Are you ready to sound different? Are you ready to risk mistakes? Or stay silent? Another comfortable year. Great speakers once whispered broken sentences. They practiced alone before world listened. Your story begins exactly same way. One sentence today, another tomorrow. Come step by step. Voice becomes stronger. Fear slowly loses power over tongue. Words start flowing like confident river. Imagine speaking freely without translating fear. That future starts inside today's practice. Listen, repeat, speak again, never quitting. Some days feel slow, frustrating, confusing. Progress hides inside patient repetition. Your voice deserves space in world. English simply becomes bridge, not barrier, and something powerful begins happening quietly because courage is forming inside you. And tomorrow, practice will continue. Again, practice English every day. Without any excuses, even 10 minutes can change your life. Consistency matters more than long study sessions. Small efforts daily beat large, sporadic attempts. Start your day speaking aloud, simple sentences. Repeat words slowly, carefully, feel their power. Every morning habits shape your language skills. Don't fear mistakes. They teach you lessons. Each wrong word brings you closer fluency. Record yourself speaking. Listen, correct, try again. Your ears learn rhythm. Your mouth learns pronunciation. Talk to yourself as if someone listens. Even describing objects around trains your brain. Your mind starts thinking directly in English. Set small goals, one sentence, then two. Gradually increase difficulty with more complex phrases. Daily practice builds memory. For new vocabulary, repetition transforms unfamiliar words into natural speech. Reading aloud adds confidence to your speaking ability. Mimic native speakers' tone, pace, and emphasis. Your voice begins sounding clearer, more natural. Speak in front of mirrors. Feel improvement daily. Writing sentences and saying them reinforces brain connections. Shadow conversations from movies. Repeat every meaningful line. Daily effort compounds, producing powerful results slowly. You notice progress even if it feels invisible. Celebrate small wins. Each word mastered matters greatly. Your brain rewires itself through consistent speaking exercises. Fluency is not magic, it is patience. Every single day strengthens your speaking confidence. Your English skills grow silently, steadily, persistently. Your room becomes classroom for daily English practice. Mirror reflects your confidence and speaking progress clearly. Books are more than reading. They teach pronunciation. Phones become pocket teachers guiding words every day. Walls hear your voice growing stronger with practice. Objects around you turn into vocabulary learning tools. Every corner of home hides learning opportunities. Silently use mirrors to speak sentences aloud with energy. Listen carefully to your own voice improving gradually. Record and replay, notice mistakes. Correct every time. Shadow actors in movies. Notice, repeat their sentences slowly. Sing songs aloud to strengthen pronunciation and rhythm naturally. Label household items with English words for constant reminders. Your environment whispers new words if you pay attention. Practice dialogue. Guess with imaginary friends. Speak without fear. Turn daily chores into speaking and storytelling exercises. Describe every action aloud to boost your fluency. Phone apps can read, listen, and repeat sentences. YouTube videos teach accents, expressions, and pronunciation clearly. Every tool around you transforms into invisible teacher. Patiently, imagination combined with environment creates endless learning possibilities. Write sticky notes with phrases you frequently forget, sticky mets, everywhere for constant daily vocabulary exposure. Talk to pets or plants to practice speaking naturally. Even shadows in the room can become conversation partners. Your bedroom, kitchen, or balcony become fluency training grounds. Every object becomes teacher if your mind stays focused. Daily effort in environment multiplies learning without extra cost. Turn fear into opportunity using surroundings creatively every day. Small routines become powerful when practiced consistently and consciously. Your home silently becomes academy shaping your English skills. Even repetition of simple words grows confidence steadily inside every line spoken aloud, strengthens brain, memory, and courage. Courage begins the moment you speak despite fear. Every mistake is proof that you are trying. Fear disappears slowly when you keep speaking boldly. Your voice deserves space in this wide world. Doubt whispers loudly, but action speaks even louder. Take small steps today. Confidence grows with practice. Every word you say breaks down invisible walls. Silence feels safe but does not build fluency. Risk saying words wrong to learn them correctly. Fear is temporary. Growth lasts for a lifetime. Your tongue trembles, but determination keeps it moving. Each attempt strengthens your courage, and self-belief. Slowly speaking imperfectly teaches lessons no book can offer. Mistakes are badges showing you are actively learning. Ask yourself today, am I brave enough now? Do I want fluency more than comfort or fear? Every answered question pushes your confidence a little further. Boldness turns hesitation into fluid and confident speech. Imagine yourself speaking freely without fear or doubt. Courage grows stronger when repeated consistently every day. Your voice becomes louder than fear's constant whisper. Look in mirror. Practice fearlessly, loudly, with pride. Every attempt erodes fear's hold over your tongue. Even one brave sentence today changes your tomorrow. The brain learns faster when pushed beyond comfort zones. Fear challenges you. Courage accepts and keeps moving forward. Your mistakes are seeds. Courage waters them daily. Every sentence spoken builds trust inside your own ability. Bravery becomes habit when repeated daily. Without question, every day pushes fear further, courage closer inside. Your voice will rise above fear gradually, steadily, strongly.